Close to 1.5 years into the pandemic and almost half a year gone in 2021, businesses, entrepreneurs have seen a lot of challenges, crises, and there have been a few success stories as well. We have eminent panelists, and my question to all of you is, what is it that we as members of HRAI can expect from you on July 1st? Over to you, Tejinder ji.
Well, it has been a very interesting year. I think we had faced things which we had not experienced in this earlier, and I look forward to sharing some of my experiences and the challenges we as companies and individuals faced through this pandemic.
Thank you very much. Over to you, Ankit ji.
Thank you, Sindhu. It's going to be an wonderful and interesting seminar. I think so all the participants will be looking forward to it. The few things which are definitely going to be the more prominent and has to be taken care in the current crisis and to overcome challenges is, one, we should look for an organizing network of teams with that proper set. Secondly, we can look on displaying deliberate, calm and bounded optimism for the organization. We can look for making decisions at the right time with the right optimism. Another thing we can look is the demonstrate the empathy, and the most important is that communicating effectively with the teams, making the right message to the organization with the time bound situations. So these are the things which we think can be more emphasized on the 1st July seminar. Thank you.
Thank you very much for giving us that sneak peek. Over to you, Arjit ji. What can we expect from you on the 1st of July?
Thank you, Sindhu. Thank you for this opportunity. As a bootstrap startup, I would love to share my experience on cash flow management and how it becomes important in times of crisis, where the objective changes from P&L management to cash flow. I hope my experiences would be helpful to other budding startups in terms of navigating such crises. I hope they never happen again, but then this is business. It's all about ups and downs, and one should always be prepared for that. Yeah.
Thank you very much. So as you've seen, we've got diverse panelists who are going to share their experience, their wisdom and their views on a very pertinent topic. So catch us live on the 1st of July between 3 and 4 p.m. on HRAI.